So hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial in Coding Compass. Today we are going to learn about the different types of operators and how to use them in Python. The general purpose of a program is to accept data and perform some operations on the data. The data is stored in some variables. Let's just keep two variables like a equal to 1 and or a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. The next question will come is how we can perform operations on this data. For example, when a programmer wants to add two numbers, say a and b, he can just write c equal to a plus b, or he could do print a plus b. Print a plus b. This symbol performs addition operation. Such symbols are called operators. An operator is a symbol that performs an operation. An operation acts on some variables called operands. That means now here a and b are called operands, right? A and b are operands. For every example, if we write a plus b, the operator plus is acting on the two operands a and b. If an operator acts on a single variable, it's called unary operator. If an operator acts on two variables, it's called binary operator. If an operator acts on three variables, then it's called ternary operator. Right, just write it in comments. One variable means unary operator, 2 means binary, and 3 means ternary operator. We can classify operators depending upon their nature. They can be classified into arithmetic let me just again write it in comments. Arithmetic operators. Let me just copy this operator so that I just don't want to type it again and again. Arithmetic operators, then assignment operators, then comes the unary minus operator, then comes the relational operator. Once again guys, this just got out of the comments. Relational operators, then comes the logical operators, then comes the boolean operators, then comes the bitwise operators, then membership operators, then identity operators. So these are the different types of operators. Just don't confuse with them, right? I just teach you. Most of them will be like simple operators. These arithmetic operators will be like in our primary or elementary school mathematics, and the assignment operators will be just simple like this, equal to sign. That's it. Let's just learn about them, right? So let's start. Arithmetic operators. These operators are used to perform basic arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. There are 7 arithmetic operators. Let me just mark it here, 7. There are 7 arithmetic operators. Since these operators act on two operands, they are called binary operators. So guys, for the operator, we should again and again type print again and again. So let's just open our Python window which we had downloaded when we installed Python. Just you go to a start menu and type Python. It will come like Python like this. depending on the version you loaded. I have two versions, Python 3.10 and 3.11. So as I'm using a 3.11, I'll just take this one right here, and yeah, this will open. You can also use the idle Python, like see, idle Python, this one here, right? But it will come in a bit of white screen. I just prefer black, so I just put here. So here, what's the difference between the Python window right here and a program? Here we don't need to write anything like print statement and all. It just automatically prints it out. Like just say a equal to like 10. Even if we write a, it will print 10. So we don't need to write print. So let's start with the arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operator, the addition operator, plus symbol right here. Let's just write a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. Now this is called addition operator. This adds two values. A plus b will be 10 plus 20 will be 30. And yeah, instead of these values you can just put like 10 plus 20. You can also write like this. That's the thing Chisu. So subtraction operator. This operator subtracts one value from the other value. So just see here guys, 10 minus 20 gives minus 10, because 10 minus 20 is minus 10. And the multiplication operator will be the star like symbol here, right? We can press that by shift and 8, shift and 8, right? This is 10 minus 20, right? So just put into 10 times 20 will be something like 10 minus 20, 200. Yeah. Then comes the division operator. You just put the slash symbol, forward slash. This is backslash and this is forward slash. So 10 divided by 20 gives 0.5, right? Yeah, most probably 0.5. Yeah. And the modulus operator gives the remainder when it is divided. 10 by 20, I think, yeah, it gives remainder as 10. So 10 modulus 20 gives the remainder as 10. Yeah. Then the exponent operator. This is another important operator, guys. We should put 2 times the power symbol. I mean the multiplication symbol, shift 8, and then the anything. Right. It calculates the exponent power value. Like a at star b gives the value of a to the power of b, which means here 10 to the power of 20. See, streak of numbers. Then comes the integer division. This one is also called floor division. Perform division and only gives the integer quotient. Like we can put a 2 times the division symbol, then b. It gives 0 because it changed the 0.5 to 0. When we ask rounding off, it gives to 1, right? But here it doesn't work that way. Even it just calculates the ones place here. Whatever number is here, it just paste it here. That's it. So when there is an expression that contains several arithmetic operators, we should know which operator is done first and which is done next, right? In such cases, the following order of evaluation is used. The first order is, again let me start it in comments. Right, first there are 5 levels. Let me put 5 here. Then first one is parenthesis. I mean the brackets here. First the parentheses are evaluated, then exponentation. Exponent, that is power. Wait. That is, this power will be done. Then multiplication, division, modulus, floor division. I think you can understand what I am saying. Multiplication, division, modulus, floor division, all are at equal priority. After that, addition and subtraction, plus and minus. Plus and minus. Then comes the assignment operator. This is equal to operator. Yeah. Then comes the equal to operator. So this is how the program works. So let's just see a sample equation, guys. Let's just take a value d equal to like 3 into 3 power 2 floor division 2 plus 3. This is a sample equation. Just evaluate the steps. So and there is no parenthesis, we can go to next step. Exponentation is done first. So what is 3 power 2? Let me just copy paste it, guys, so it won't cause. Yeah. So yeah, let's start now. 3 into 3 power 2 divided floor division 2 plus 3. First let's do the 3 power 2, because see what comes here, parenthesis, and there is no parenthesis, we can go to next step. Exponent, so this is the only exponent here. So what is 3 power 2? 9, so just change it to 9. Right, then again let me just come this back right here. Yeah, then now this changes to 9. Right, now next comes what? Multiplication, division, modulus and floor division are at equal priority. So what is 3 times 9? 27. So let me just change it to 27. And 27 root division 2, what will be the answer? 13. 13, guys. 1 3. Then comes the what? Addition and subtraction. Then 13 plus 3 will be 14, 15, 16. So 16. Now finally assignment operator gives that d equal to 16. So let's check it out in the idle prompt. Here we just paste it. Then ask the value of d. See, 16. So this is how program is evaluated in Python. So these are the arithmetic operators in Python. Now I will just go to some small operators in Python, like assignment operators. These are the simple operators, guys. Right, now let's start with the assignment operator. As you all know, a equal to b means the value of a is equal to value of b. Assignment operator, this stores the right side value into left side value. Right, the addition assignment operator. Now let's say a is plus or equal to 10, and let's change the value to 1. Now what this says is the value of a is a plus 10. We can just remove this equal to right now. Yeah, it will remember it as a plus 10 is equal to a. That means a equal to a plus 10. It just remembers like that. Plus or equal, this is called addition assignment operator. In the same way, there is the subtraction assignment operator and multiplication assignment operator, division assignment operator. These are just known factors, right? Then modulus assignment operator. Then exponent assignment operator, guys. The exponent assignment operator performs the power value, then stores the result on the left hand operator. Here a power equal to 10 gives the value as a power 10 equal to a. That means 1 has no power, right? So just put 10 and do print a. See, yeah, b is not defined. A second, guys. See, that's it, guys. Then comes in the same way floor division. Now it will give 1. Yeah, so this is all with the assignment operators, guys. Just simple as that. Then comes the most simplest operator of all these 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, all these 8. Unary operator. Unary operator is a equal to minus a. This minus a is the unary operator, which converts the positive into negative and negative into positive. Let's just do print a. Play it. Minus 10. Then again we can put again a equal to minus a. Now it converts the negative into positive. So this is what happened, guys. Unary converts the positive into negative and negative into positive. So that's it, guys, with the unary operator. And that's all, guys, with our today's video. So thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in another Python tutorial, guys.